Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the cart transform API, and we will shorten the cart title. Like for example, if we have more than 3 words in the cart title, we will make that short and keep them in 3 words. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to install the Shopify app and open the terminal and go to the folder where you would like to install the app. In my case, I have a folder in my D drive. The name of the folder is YouTube. So I will type Shopify app in it and I will press enter. It will ask me the name of my project and I will name it cart items rename function and hit enter. Now it will ask me to select start with a remix recommended or start by adding your first extension. So we are not working in the app, so we will select the start by adding your first extension. It will save us some time, so I hit enter and it is going to take some time to download the template from GitHub repo. Okay, it is fast. Now the next thing we are going to do, we will type cd cart items dash rename function, and in this folder we will write another command, Shopify app generate extension. It will generate a new extension in our app, so I will hit enter and after that we need to select our organization, like which partner I am going to install this. In my case, I will select this partner, Wixop Technologies, and next, yes, create a new app, or you can connect the existing app. So in my case, I will select new app and I will name it card item rename function. And we need to wait for a few seconds, and now it is asking me what type of this extension. So we are going to use cart transformer function, this one. Select cart transformer function and hit enter, and then name of your extension, we can say cart transformer. Hit enter, and which language you would like to work on. We have Rust, JavaScript, TypeScript and Vast. I will select JavaScript, and now it is generating the function of our extension and installing the all dependencies. Okay, our extension is generated. Now go to the folder and go to the extension, then click on cart transformer and then click on source folder and open run.graphql file and copy and paste this code. What it will do, it will grab the cart, line items and ID, and then merchandise, and on product variant it will grab the title and the product title, and then we will go to that extension, cd extensions, and then we will go to cd cart transformer, and here we will run this command Shopify App function type gen and hit enter. Next we will open run.js file and we will replace this code with this one. I will explain to you. Okay, now we have a variable, no changes in this variable. We have operation object and then we have empty array, and in our run function we get the input and we have operations variable where we will loop through cart line items and filter them line item, and we will see if the product variant and the product title includes the space. We will map those titles and we will split them, those product title with the space, and slice the first 3 words and then join with the space, and finally we will return the title and update object in the cart line item. Cart line id is equal to line.id and the title is the new title which we generated over here, which has only first three words. Save this. Okay, next we will go back to the root of our app, cd, and make sure we have the right permission. So we need write underscore cart underscore transform transform. You have the access scope of write cart transform. Now run this command Shopify app deploy, and it will deploy the new configuration in your app. Yes, release the new version. Okay, if this error happens, go to your users and go to your default profile app data and local, and delete this binary cache, and then run this command again. And yes, release a new version. And wait for a few seconds. And now As you can see, it is running the Javi, and we have a new version released to our users. Now run npm run dev, and it will start loading your app. Okay, we have our app is ready. Now press P to install this app. Open this in the browser and install this app in your store. Okay, we have this extension, install that. And it is being installed. Now we can open the GraphQL terminal from the terminal by pressing G, and now it will open the GraphQL interface, and we need to fetch our functions. And let's copy and paste this query and run this query. Now we have a cart transform function, and this is the ID of our function which we need. Now copy and paste this command, and your function ID, replace this with your function ID. So I'm going to add my function ID over here and then run this mutation again, and our mutation is successful. Now let's try this and go to online store and go to the products, and let's change the title of this product. This product is only have 3 words. Let's add few more words in the title. Save that, and now refresh and go to that product. Reload again. Okay, let's preview that, and now we can see we have a long title. Let's try to add that. And if you go to the checkout, you will see we have only 3 words for our product, and the rest of the words are removed. So I hope you like my video, and if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.